Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy nachos at home easy guide. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and line a baking sheet with foil. Start by choosing baked tortilla chips and lean protein like shredded chicken or black beans. Layer chips, protein, reduced fat cheese, and lots of veggies. Bake until cheese melts and top with salsa, Greek yogurt, and avocado slices. Serve warm and enjoy a lighter, satisfying snack. Choose ingredients that boost nutrition without sacrificing flavor. Use multigrain or baked chips, 90% lean turkey, or black beans for fiber. Pick reduced fat cheese and measure portion sizes to keep calories reasonable. Add colorful vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, and corn for vitamins and crunch. Finish with Greek yogurt instead of sour cream and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Experiment and have fun. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to save time after cooking. I love how it handles crumbs around the kitchen so you can focus on food prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layering and timing matter for even baking and crispness. Keep chips in a single layer and distribute cheese and toppings evenly. Partially cook wet toppings like onions or peppers before baking to avoid soggy chips. Bake at 400 degrees F for 6-8 minutes until cheese melts and edges crisp. Let nachos rest for a minute to set the toppings, then add fresh garnishes like cilantro and sliced jalapenos. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.